We're just hours away from a Fed decision and less than a week from the election. But right now, I have Peter Costa to talk to me about it. Hello, Peter. Sorry I butchered your name last time. Hope that didn't cost me.
Oh, God, your jokes. You know what? Anyway, no, it didn't.
Well, let's start with the data. Yesterday, we got ISM. We got ADP employment this morning. What are you eyeing and why?
Well, I mean, the ISM to me is important. ADP, I never really look at it much. It is pretty accurate indication of what the jobs report is going to look like on Friday. So I think a lot of people are looking at, what's going to happen Friday. I mean, this afternoon, I don't think you're going to hear anything. I mean, the Fed will come out with a comment or they'll come out with some questions and answers. And basically, it's going to be the same story of last month, looking at this, blah, blah, blah. It's going to be the same, basically, non-committal approach because they don't want to really pigeonhole themselves too much into a December rate hike. But the chances are they probably will raise rates in December.
Okay, yeah, so we're going to hear from them just hours away. And then next week we have the election. And during all this, a market sell-off. What's going on?
Well, I think this is a little bit of a, with Trump starting to do better in the polls, I think people are a little fearful of what the results will be. If Trump wins, the expectation is the market will sell off, like Brexit, very similar. And I think people are just preparing themselves for the potential or the eventuality of something like that happening. The polls have been very flexible over the last, 2 or 3 weeks. So, you could have something come out tomorrow morning that might change people's opinions. This is going to be a very close race. So I think that people are just a little leery of it. They're trying to keep some, probably pulling some money off the table, making sure they're ready in case something happens next week. They'll have the ability to go out and do something and probably make some money.
Yes, there is a lot of uncertainty, and it was surprising to hear that Trump is gaining strength. Has that changed your allocation or outlook at all?
Well, I mean, I still think that, it's more about the much bigger picture, even though a presidential election truly could be the biggest picture you could think about. But as far as investing, I'm still, still concerned about what's going to happen with the Fed. If they're going to raise rates, if that happens, I think your financials will still be doing well. They're having a decent day today. I mean, considering there's really not much else going on. I think that you'll probably see that'll be the hottest group going into December.
Well, Peter, next time we speak, we will have a winner. Thank you so much for your insight, and until then.
Okay, thank you.